Pakistan's GSP Plus status with the European Union isn't just a trade agreement. It's a lifeline for the nation's economy. Since 2014, this special trade arrangement has allowed around 6 billion euros of Pakistani goods, mainly textiles, to enter the EU duty-free every year. That's a saving of nearly €500 million annually, protecting 1.5 to 2 million direct jobs, most of them held by women, and boosting economic stability across the country. The impact on trade has been transformative. Pakistan's exports to the EU have nearly doubled since 2014, generating cumulative gains of 3.6 billion euros. GSP Plus isn't just a preference, it's a strategic enabler of sustainable economic growth. But GSP Plus is about more than trade. It's conditional on implementing 27 core international conventions on human rights, labor rights, environmental protection, and good governance. Pakistan has integrated these standards into national policy with 80 to 85% legal alignment, supported by institutional frameworks and annual self-reporting. Concrete reforms have transformed society. The legal age for marriage has been raised to 18 in Islamabad and Balochistan. The National Commission for Human Rights regained A status. Minority protections and labor inspection have increased. Trade unions in export zones can now register freely, empowering workers. Over 8,700 cases of enforced disappearances have been resolved, ensuring accountability. GSP Plus has also helped Pakistan lead on climate action. Projects like the 10 billion tree tsunami and the Living Indus initiative have earned international recognition, showing the country's commitment to sustainability despite environmental challenges. Governance and accountability have been strengthened too, from anti-narcotics operations seizing 190 tons of drugs to digital procurement systems and FATF compliance making transparency the norm. The GSP Plus agenda is backed by Pakistan's highest political leadership, highlighting that these reforms are a national priority, not just an external requirement. Globally, Pakistan has been recognized for fully implementing all 27 conventions and has secured a seat on the UN Human Rights Council for 25 to 27. GSP Plus is more than a trade tool. It is a catalyst for economic growth, social reform, and environmental leadership. Pakistan's decade-long journey shows that trade preferences can drive meaningful long-term transformation.